Welcome. In this video, you will learn more about the Smartbugs diffusers used in our microbial and compost tea brewers, and some of the most important considerations in choosing brewer technology. Here is a typical Smartbugs diffuser used in all our brewers. With this diffuser, the air is pumped into the central cavity and moves out through the membrane into the water as small bubbles. This creates a high level of dissolved oxygen. The basic function of the membrane is to allow air to escape as fine, evenly distributed bubbles. This is made possible by thousands of laser-cut 1mm slits. Imagine two equal volumes of air, one made of small bubbles and the other large bubbles. The smaller bubbles have a larger total surface area than the same volume of larger bubbles. And the larger the surface area, the greater the efficiency of oxygen diffusion into the water. The membrane has a simple but effective shut-off valve feature. When the air is switched off, the nutrient solution and the microbes in the brew cannot move back through the membrane. This keeps the inside of the diffuser clean. One of the most important brewer design considerations is to ensure that the shape of the brewer allows for complete and gentle circulation of oxygen-rich brew. Bubble size also influences the fluid movement, as the smaller the bubbles, the greater the drag and lift in the brew. For instance, with small bubble diffusion, if you are pumping a cubic metre of air per minute, you should be lifting about 1,000 litres of solution every minute. This little diaphragm air pump here can lift about 80 litres of water every minute. I'll switch it on in a moment so you can see. Sometimes you'll see brewers where air is pumped into the liquid through a pipe with 5 to 8mm holes. With those brewers, you'll notice larger bubbles on the surface, which may look very impressive, but the efficiency of oxygen transfer is low, and the oxygen transfer per kilowatt of power is poor. After a brewer has been running for 9 to 12 hours, we should see an exponential growth of microbes and an accelerating demand for biological oxygen. At this time, it is essential to have an efficient method of oxygen transfer that smaller bubbles facilitate. I'm going to switch this pump on now, and you'll see the tiny bubbles rising from all around the membrane. It's really quite spectacular. You can see how the lift and drag is being created under the diffuser by the small bubbles, increasing circulation. These membranes are the distinguishing feature of all our Smartbugs and Down Under brewers. We've adopted this technology because we believe it's the best. And the same membrane technology is used throughout the world in many heavy-duty industrial applications. We've been using these membranes in our brewers for 8 years, and the results prove its effectiveness. Our brewers range in size from 200 litres to 5,000 litres and have been sold throughout Australia and all the mainland states. If you'd like more information, please contact us. We'll be happy to refer you to clients who have been using our brewers for many years. You can explore the Smartbugs website for more information on any of our brewers and our range of microbial products. You can also keep informed by signing up to the Innovation and Research newsletter. We aim to send this newsletter out on a regular basis and invite contributions from growers. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope it's been helpful. You can contact us by phone on 02 6621 6088 or via the contact form on our website www.smartbugs.com.au.